The next thing you need to consider are the fees Amazon will charge you for selling your products. You can find details about these fees in various places. Search for fees and pricing in Amazon's help system, for instance, or use one of the various pricing links you'll find on the Selling on Amazon pages. Unfortunately, there are a number of nuggets of misinformation mixed in with useful data. In fact, at the time I put together this video course, Amazon's various shipping fees pages were a bit of a mess with contradictory and ambiguous information. Read one to get one story and another to get a different story. So here's the scoop, at least at the current time. There are essentially two fees we need to look at. Referral fees, a percentage of the transaction with, in many categories, a minimum charge, and variable closing fees, which are, ironically, either a fixed fee per item, a percentage of the shipping charge, or a combination of a fixed fee and a fee multiplied by product weight. We'll also be looking at shipping credits, a credit that Amazon will pass on to you in addition to the price of the product for shipping the item, assuming you're not using FBA, of course. We also need to discuss FBA shipping charges, the sum Amazon will charge you to ship your product if it's in an Amazon warehouse. Let's start with what Amazon variously calls the referral fee or simply the commission. Whenever you sell a product on Amazon, you'll be charged a percentage of the sales price, the price of the product, plus the cost of gift wrapping if applicable. This fee varies between categories. For media products, books, DVDs, video games, and so on, it's 15%. For items in the camera and photo or electronics categories, it's 8%. Tools and home improvement products are 12%, and so on. Some categories actually have multiple levels. Within automotive, tires and wheels are 10%, everything else is 12%, for instance. And some categories have rates that decline with the product price. For example, the fine art category has 4 levels, starting at 20% and dropping to 8% as the price of the item increases. In most categories, there's also a minimum fee. So you'll pay whichever is greater, the percentage or the minimum. In most cases, the minimum is only $1, though in watches it's $2. So, for example, sell a $10 watch and you'll pay the $2 minimum rather than the 15% referral fee percentage. The referral fee is pretty straightforward. For every item sold by anyone, Amazon charges the referral fee, and you can find the actual percentage in the referral fee tables. Simply multiply the sale price by the particular category percentage, and if the result is less than the minimum, charge the minimum instead.